How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to know when you are in ketosis. So I got this question from a subscriber. We're going to go over that right now. Before we do though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, click on that notification bell so you guys get all my newest videos. So on a ketogenic diet, your body goes through a reduction in insulin and increased fat breakdown. So that's what happens. Your insulin is reduced, your fat breakdown is increased. That's the point of the ketosis diet. When this happens, your liver starts producing large amount of ketones to supply energy for your brain. So usually your brain will use the sugar from the glucose that you feed it with your carbs. Without any carbs, your body has to use ketones to supply for your brain. Simple as that. So how do you know when you're in ketosis though? How do you know? Number one, and I have been in ketosis before, and this is very common for a lot of people, bad breath. This is caused by elevated ketone levels. The specific culprit is going to be acetone. It's a ketone that exits your body in the urine and your breath. So this is what causes the bad breath. It's the acetone. So what can you do to fix that? Just brush your teeth several times during the day, chew some gum. Keep this in mind though, it is not permanent. Bad breath when you are in ketosis is a temporary thing. It will happen for maybe a week or two, then it will be gone. So if you guys are thinking, wow, I don't want to have to brush my teeth 5 times a day, I don't want to chew gum for the rest of my life, you don't have to. It's temporary, it will go away. Trust me on this. Okay, weight loss. That's another way to tell if you are in ketosis. Keep in mind the first week though will be from a drop of carbs / stored glycogen levels, you guys. So some people will say, yeah, I lost 14 pounds in the first week. You may have lost a couple pounds, 2, 3, 4 pounds, but a lot of it is going to be all the carbs, all the glycogen that's stored in your body, all the excessive sodium. With sodium leads more water, and the water does soak up the carbohydrates too. That's how you get the glycogen. So when you are dropping your weight, a lot of that is going to be your carbs, your sodium, your water. But just keep that in mind, just so you guys don't like, whoa, you're going to lose 14 pounds every week. No, first week, maybe 10, 14 pounds, maybe even 6, 8 pounds, whatever. Next week after that, 1 to 2 pounds. That's normal though, so keep that in mind. Third thing, ketosis diet is good for a reduction in blood sugar levels and an increase in ketones. So if you notice your blood sugar level is feeling more normal, I know for me when I get low blood sugar, I can feel it. I feel very drained, very fatigued, very tired, and I know when I have low blood sugar levels. So if you notice that your blood sugar levels are constantly stable, chances are you are in ketosis. And as you go longer on a keto diet, you will start to burn fat, ketones as the main fuel source. So that's good too. Okay, fourth tip, how to know when you are in ketosis. Appetite suppression. A keto diet can lower your appetite and your hunger. It's as simple as that. If you feel full and you don't need to eat as often, then you may be in ketosis. This was the biggest one for me. When I started ketosis, I was pretty tired, a little bit drowsy, and really hungry. When I started getting into ketosis after a week or 2 weeks, my appetite was gone day, you guys. Like, I didn't have the cravings. I wasn't that hungry. So that is one of the main reasons I loved being in ketosis. Fifth reason why you may be in ketosis, increased focus and energy. When you get into ketosis, a large part of the brain starts burning ketones instead of glucose. So ketones are an extremely potent fuel source for the brain. So it has been tested in medical settings to treat brain disease and conditions such as concussions and memory loss. So it does increase the focus, it does increase the energy. It has been proven in science, studies, medical clinics. It works, you guys. It will increase your focus and your energy. Some cautions though, it can cause short-term fatigue. So when you are starting off ketosis, what usually happens, and I found this out for most of my clients, is when starting ketosis, you feel weak and fatigued. Now what happens is people quit before going into full ketosis. It takes anywhere from 7 to 30 days before you are in full ketosis. That is right. So if you're starting off feeling weak, tired, it's been 3, 4, 5 days, give it a few more weeks. Trust me on this. Then you will be fully into ketosis. Again, most people, fatigued, tired, they quit. That's how it works nowadays. People get lazy, something gets a little bit hard, they quit, they're done. Do not be that person. Give it some time, give it a few weeks. You will notice that you will then be in full ketosis. End of video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. If you're interested in online personal training, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email. We can go over details. Thanks, guys.